Guys, we got another investment here in South Memphis. Take a look. Closed out, new and all right. So yeah, sometimes South Memphis gets a bad rep, but this street is actually a good street. This property, heck of a deal. 65,000. Basically needs a few little touch-up painting. It was rehabbed, I think a year and a half ago or 2 years, and the guy did everything. It sat vacant for a long time. And he put in new flooring, new cabinets. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, even recessed lighting, carbon monoxide detector. It's got everything actually still in this property. It's crazy. I actually wanted this for myself, but to be honest, I couldn't afford it. So, but I hate letting deals like that go, which I come across all the time. But this was $65,000, 3-bedroom, 1 bath. And basically it's moving. It needs to be cleaned, some touch-up painting. But it's ready. It's ready. And I think it's got this one little broken window right here. Just nothing. And I think the rent's over here. The lady next door was renting, I think she said $1,300. And her rent kept, that's one thing, rent keeps going up every year, of course. And rent keeps going up. And they're actually renovating that, and actually it's a guy developing new construction over here. He's bought like 22 lots, she said, so he'll be busy for a few years. But it's got a little shed in the back, and central heating there is still here, right? Look at that. Architectural shingles, thermal windows, AC, electrical permits, plumbing. Got a little cleanup here, but I mean, somebody can move in right now. You can get that, start getting that income. So this is a good asset. Chain fence, actually even a pole there. But yeah, a lot of homeowners, few renters on this street. It's actually a cove. It actually dead end right there. Close to downtown, little small covered porch. So yeah, if you're an investor, bank, hedge fund, REOs, short sales, pre-foreclosure, divorce, all those, probate, give me a call, 901-289-1374, Glenn McDonald, 901-289-1374, memphisglenn.com. See you on the next one.